going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna quickly show you how to extract zip files in here on Mac operating system. Okay, so in my case I've got in here a zip file in here, and I'm gonna be showing you how you can easily extract any zip file here on your Mac OS. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. So first things first, before we even get started, I would like to explain to you guys, why do zip files even exist? Okay, why don't we simply have the file directly, and why do people actually go through this process of compressing their files and changing it to zip format right here? So what happens is, basically when we compress a file and we add it into a zip file, we reduce the size of the file. Okay, so suppose I want to upload to the internet a file that occupies over 10 gigabytes of storage, right? So if I zip it, I can reduce the 10 gigabytes all the way to 7 or 6. And then this makes it easier for me to upload, as this will eat up less storage, and the person who's going to download it will also save up time by downloading it in a less period of time. And that specific person's space will also be saved with this zip compressed file in here. Now, without any further ado, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So first things first, here we go. We've got our zip file in here, and the very first thing we need to do is hop here into our App Store. Okay, so simply open up App Store on your MacBook, and then we need to download a specific application or software that allows us to extract the files which have been compressed to that specific format. So in here, I recommend you guys to search for this application, which is known as iZip. Okay, so this is the app that I recommend. I've been using this app for the past 5 years, and this is a really good app when it comes to extracting zip files. As you guys can see, we've got in here iZip Archiver. This is the app. Tap once on it, and then simply tap here to download and install the specific application. Okay, let me quickly tap here, and the download should start in a few seconds. Here we go, the download has started, and this is a 3.6 megabytes file, so this will be done in a few seconds only. Let's just keep and wait. Here we go, installation has been done, and we've got in here the open button right here. Now, before I even open it, alternatively, you can also search for other unzippers in here. We've got this one, we've got this one, we've got Unzip itself, which is one of the most official ones in here, where you can actually unzip files easily. Okay, so in my case, we'll go with iZip. Here we go, let me open up my launchpad, and as you can see, I've got iZip here already installed to my computer. Let me quickly open it just to show it to you guys how it looks like. Here we go, close. We can actually extract zip files, as well as we can create zip files. Okay, so if you also want to use zip files in the future, feel free to create a zip file using this specific application right here. So in order to unzip this file, what we need to do is simply right click on it, tap on open with, and then we'll select iZip in here. Okay, simply select iZip, and then immediately you'll be able to see here the files which are exactly inside this specific folder right here. So as you can see in here, we've got a video inside which is called lastmymovie.mp4, and in order to extract that specific file, all you need to do is simply select it and then tap on extract selected, or you can simply tap on extract all to extract every single file which is here, which belongs here to this specific zip file in here. In my case, I'll be going with extract all. Here we go. I'll select desktop in here, and then I'll tap on select folder, and the extraction has started. It's now completed. As you can see, we've got in here in desktop these two files which have been extracted right now. This is the video, and this is a simple file in here that was also inside this specific zip folder. Let me quickly close this. Here we go, the video is here. We can now quickly open it, and we're good to go. Here we go. The video has now been extracted successfully. Now, if you're unable to install the iZip application application from the App Store. For example, if you're trying to open up App Store and you find any difficulty, do not worry, I'll show you an alternate way of installing the specific zip extractor, okay? So all you need to do is hop into your internet browser. In my case, I'm running here Google Chrome, but if you have a different one, that's totally fine. And then we'll go straight to iZip website, okay? Let me type here iZip Mac, and this is the website, which is iZip.com. So you can go straight into the website and then tap here on download. Next up, you've got an option here to select the operating system. So you've got select your OS, you're gonna select here Mac OS, and you wanna make sure you select the latest operating system that you are running on. Now, you can go in here with the latest one, okay? In my case, I'll be going with Catalina, and then tap on download. If your latest operating system doesn't show up, do not worry, simply select one of the latest one in here. Now, once the download is completed, you'll be able to see a DMG file in here, which is the format of the installation. Simply double tap on it to open up the installation system. And then what you need to do in here, once you see this window popping up in here, is simply drag and drop iZip from here to the applications folder and paste it over there. In my case, it says that a newer item known as iZip has already been existing since a long time, which is because I've already installed iZip in here. But let me tap on replace just to show it to you guys. Okay, the operation can't be completed because the iZip is in use. Let me quickly close iZip. Here we go. Now I can easily shift it here, tap on replace, and then let me type in my password. Once you're done, tap on enter, and this should be completed right now. In my case, it's not allowing me because I already have it installed, but this is all you need to do. Next up, you just need to open up your Launchpad, and you'll be able to see iZip in here in your MacBook installed as a software from where you can create zip files as well as extract. Now, to create, simple tap on new archive and then simply add folders in here. Let's say I want to add this one, tap on add by tapping here in the plus icon, tap on create, select the destination, let's say zipped file. Okay, here we go. We're now compressing this specific file and creating a zip file, storing it here into our desktop. Now, the process of creating a zip file takes a bit longer. You need to be patient as it's a more delicate process when compared to the process of extracting the zip file. Here we go. Process is done, archive created, tap on OK, close, and we've gotten here in desktop zipped file right here. I hope this video really helped you. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment down below if you have any query, and I'll make sure I reply to the comment section as soon as possible. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.